Review Ever Bilena Toast of New Year collection. So, naging best-selling siya sa lipstick, sa isang bullet lipstick. Now, meron na siyang Toast of New Year collection. Ng Toast of New York is the OG, medium, and light. So, swatch natin yung other three. So, same lang to. So, this the lip cream, this the medium. Then, this is lip cream nila. This is the light one. Different shades of Toast of New York in different variants. And lastly, this one. This is yung medium. Wait lang. Medium. This is medium. Ayan yung sa lip cream nila. Let's see the swatches of the eyeshadow. Palettes, it's more on a white. This is one. Swatch natin. Two. Ayan. Okay, it's more on the big side. Maybe I'll invest with this sooner or later. Ever Bilena PR baka naman. Charing. So, ito yung lahat ng swatches ng kanilang palette ng Toast of New York collection ng Ever Bilena. Try to mix the all three shades ng different shades. This is a doe blush ng Toast of New York. Let's gonna blend this out. Makapal siya, guys. Pero, very pigmented. Blendable siya. Parang nagbibigay siya ng sun-kissed look all throughout. Wow, it's super. The doe blush is very blendable. Same formula as the Mallow, yung blush nila ng Ever Bilena, yung OG blush nila. Is we're gonna mix all three shades of it, and let's see if it's a great lip combo. Wait. My madness is here. Look at this. It blends pretty well for all three shades ng Toast of New York. Pinagsama ko siya on the cheeks and lips. It's super duper wonderful. I love it. Try their palette. Ayan. We're gonna try their palette. Malaki expectations ko sa palette ng Ever Bilena kasi nagustuhan ko yung other shades nila, other variants ng palette nila, and I expect bigger with this one. Okay. Wow. Yung palette nila, I didn't expect that it's so beautiful. Insane. And it's super blendable. Pages on! Wow. With the Toast of New Year collection, it gives me a vintage vibes. With all throughout with this look. All three shades ng kanilang yung blush at kanilang lip cream, you can blend it out all in one because you make a great blush combo. And this palette, wow, it gives me a first impression, doesn't last with this, with the formula. All in one with the formula with this one. I super duper love it. I super duper love the blend, and I super duper love how it transforms a beautiful makeup look on you. So that's my review for this collection. Yun lang, finish na.